In remote forests, a seasoned guide demonstrates practical survival skills tuned for real-world challenges. They show how to build a wind-proof shelter from fallen branches and waterproofing using bark and moss. In the harsh wind, they reveal fire starting without matches, using bow drill and spark from flint, emphasizing safety and efficiency. They teach water sourcing with quick filtration and solar stills, plus signs of dehydration in cold climates. The session ends with a mindset shift toward planning, gear selection, limits, and communal safety in the wilderness for every adventure ahead.